Bass gang, what's going on, man? You already know it's your boy Super Bass True here. About to do some work on some cars. Actually got my boy pulling up right now. That's him right there pulling up. Yeah, so y'all know what time it is. I don't know what the hell wrong with people, man. People so weird. Yo, my boy. So y'all know what it is, man. Got my boy pulled up on me, Big KD. You got a lot of stuff going on. Doing some business right now. Finna head out to the store. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, okay. Give me some noise, boy. Oh, out of there. Yes, sir. What them boys got going on up there? Always something going on, man. Always something. They over there galloping.
Then that's that Prius. That's that girl. I was like, she's cute as fuck.
What?
That Prius up there, probably the same Indian girl. She looks scared driving. She's cute as fuck.
You talking about that's in this lane? Oh, further up. Oh. Yeah. Boy, look at this. I hate that. Oh boy, this is like some Final Destination right here, man.
Not big.
Not today. It's actually a pretty good day out, man.
Yeah, that's gonna rain.
Yeah. Hopefully we can beat this rain before it should start pouring down on us.
Clouds. I mean, probably over there, maybe.
Yeah. Probably all up there, man. Look at that. Got a buddy over here in the C5. Oh, boy, he ready. He race ready. Yeah, that's what buddy is over there.
Yeah.
He probably got some shit in there too, man. Nah, man, he ain't paying nobody no mind, bro. It be good, damn. Even Bets ain't ready for this, boy. Back on the road again. Back on the road again. Oh, late cut. He talking about, yeah. Alright, gang, pulling up. Yes. Hold on, wait for it. Gang, we coming back. Oh, we back. Look, man. All that beautiful day stuff I was talking earlier. All lies. That's Georgia for you. Still busting, good mission, trying to get everything done. It's a struggle, man. Can't find nothing. No, these people don't got nothing. AutoZone done let me down, man.
Let me down.
That's how I feel right now.
It's okay though. We're gonna get things done, get things taken care of.
Exactly.
Slow down.
Exactly. Y'all just stay tuned, man. We're going through the motions right now. Stick with it. Check it out for more. All right, gang. We're back out with it. You know what I'm saying? The rain finally let up, so we can actually do something now. So right now we about to check this out right here. My boy shit. All right, y'all, so we about to go back out to the store, man. It's all good. We've been running to the store 1,000 times. I'm going the wrong way. I'm thinking I'm about to drive as much as I want to. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's leaking. Oh, I saw him peeing on me right now. I'm using it for hand sanitizer.
I don't look, man. something completely across. So I don't think you can use that as hand sanitizer.
Yeah, something don't feel right. But
It don't feel right. What you mean?
Find out next time.
Find out next time. Oh, yeah. We're going to end that right there. Seatbelt is old. Going out, back out to the store.
Again,
Like it ain't nothing. It's all good. Doing it again, and we'll do it again if we need to. Sure. Yo, get about there. Oh, real quick. Get back in, back on with it. Like it ain't nothing. Whoa. Okay. I'm about to say. Yeah, bus is right. My bad. Terrible at this. Oh, okay. Oh.
Don't make the Honda angry now.
Don't make the
Honda angry.
E-Tech. Okay. This should be bellowing, man.
Might get some customer resonators on here.
Alright, y'all know what time it is. We back out on the road again. Got everything what we need. Get out of our way, Kill. We got serious business to do. See, man, we like to cruise. That's all we do. That's it. Respectively. Snack spot.
Ooh, another one.
Oh. That does look pretty hard, though. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, man. Give me whiplash, bro. Man, y'all, check out this truck, bro. This dude truck. This thing is so hard. That's so fire, bro. Let me know what y'all think about that truck, man. Me personally, I like it. Back on road again, okay. All right, playing no games. Ooh. He gonna do it. He gonna do it. Oh, we win. Oh, we win. Yeah, we got him. Yeah. Y'all know how we do it with the doors open. You good? You good, bro? This dude trying to scrape up. Yeah. Trying to find him. So right now, we're about to see what we can do about cleaning this puppy right here, the EGR. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. For the EGR, there's just 2 bolts. I believe it's like 2 12 millimeters. Should be one, yep, one right on the other side, if y'all see it right there. Reach it, might need it. Like a shorter extension.
You need my extension?
Oh, you have a shorter one, or?
A shorter one? No, I don't have a shorter one, I have 2 long ones. Long one would probably be easier for you.
Yeah, I'm trying to unscrew it with my hand right now. Yeah. Little foreplay, you know. Sometimes you just gotta talk nice to it, you know. It's a little hot, but it's all good.
Oh no, that shit perfect.
I know what it is.
I'm used to these, baby. Don't worry about it.
It's all good. About to pull this other screw up. Oh Jesus, that's really hot.
And brackets too, so be careful.
I'm gonna be very, very careful. If y'all know the amount of bullets that's on my head right now. Oh Jesus. Whew. Sweating huge bullets, boy. Just disconnect. I'm gonna let KD do. Mess with it. You're supposed to disconnect that clip there. Yeah. Catch the burns off of your car.
Right.
Or is it? There we go.
Alright.
Go straight off. Alright. Go ahead. Be careful with it. I burnt my damn hand saving that damn screw.
All right.
Oh, boy. So let's take a look at this. Probably 9 times out of 10 would never been clean. Just look at it, all rusted up. And let's go ahead and flip it over for a test, and we'll look at it. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, that looks like a brand new was needed.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, bro. Can only imagine.
That's a bracket for it. Imagine if what's in there.
Oh, God. Do this. Carbon build up. All right, so what you got here, man?
Fine tune carb cleaner.
So we're gonna go ahead and use this.
I want to spray in there.
We'll spray down.
I'm not gonna
Just
spray.
spray it. Yeah, spray the part. Oh boy, that thing stink. Yeah, that's how you know it's gonna work good. Hey man, what you beating it up for, man? What's up with you? Yeah. That little piece that came out pretty dirty. All right, back to business. I'll try to hold it down, keep it flush. Yeah. All right, putting the screw back on that side, and we're gonna put the other screw back on the other side, and we're gonna see how it runs if there's a noticeable difference, if anything. Why you giggle, bro? This is serious business.
Highly doubt it, man. Ain't talking Duralize.
I don't know what it's
I'm KD last.
All right, okay, look. We got the EGR back on there. All right, so I guess we're gonna fire it up, see what it sounds like, see what it does, if there's any noticeable difference. Go ahead and put this engine cover back on. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, so whoa, hold on. All right. You hear the exhaust. Hold on, cut it back on, bro. Man, that sounds sweet. Ooh. That's real nice. Nice rumble. The idle sounds more consistent. I don't know. I've been away from the car for a while.
We didn't do shit.
Huh?
We didn't do shit.
It didn't do. it didn't do nothing.
We didn't do shit.
Okay, you heard it from me. It didn't do anything at all.
Oh, good. I'm gonna get a brand new EPR. Put it in there.
Yep.
Probably like 5-10 minute job.
Yep.
Like,
So we'll see what it is.